Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Noah and Allie, where confidence grows one conversation at a time. I'm Noah.
Hi, everyone. I'm Allie. We are so happy you're joining us today.
Because today's episode is going to be something very special, and honestly, we think you're going to have a lot of fun.
That's right. Today, we're doing something completely different. Today is our English speaking challenge.
Have you ever wondered, how good is my spoken English? Well, today, you're going to find out.
And don't worry, this isn't a test at school. There are no grades, there are no perfect answers. The goal is simply to help you become more confident when you speak English.
Here's how today's challenge works. We have prepared 3 exciting levels for you. Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Each level gets a little more challenging.
For every question, Noah will ask you something. Then we'll give you a few seconds to answer. Please don't answer in your head. Answer out loud. Even one sentence is a great beginning.
And remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every time you speak, you become a better English speaker.
After every question, we'll share one natural answer with you. Then we'll teach you a useful expression or speaking tip that native English speakers use every day.
At the end of every level, you can give yourself 1 point if you answered most of the questions confidently. Then we'll count your total score together at the end of today's challenge.
Are you ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let's start speaking English together.
Welcome to Level 1. This is our easiest level. Let's warm up with some simple, everyday questions.
Remember, there are many correct answers. Don't try to make your answer perfect. Just speak naturally. Ready? Here comes your first question.
Question number 1. What is your name? Take a few seconds. Answer out loud now.
Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. Great job! Maybe you said, "My name is Allie," or maybe you used your own name. Perfect.
Question number 2. Where are you from? Go ahead. Tell us your answer.
Take a deep breath.
Keep going.
Wonderful. Maybe you said, "I'm from Mexico," "I'm from Brazil," or wherever you call home.
Question number 3. What do you like to do on weekends? Take your time. Speak in English.
I'll give you a few seconds.
Give it a try.
Maybe you said, "I like watching movies," "I like reading books," "I like playing games," or perhaps you have another hobby. That's great.
Question number 4. What's your favorite food? Say your answer out loud.
Use your own words.
Don't rush. Speak naturally.
There are so many great answers. Maybe, "My favorite food is pizza," or "I love sushi," or "I really like fried rice." Wonderful.
And here's our final question for Level 1. How are you feeling today? Try answering in a complete sentence.
Don't rush. Speak naturally. Excellent work. Maybe you said, "I'm feeling happy today," "I'm a little tired," "I'm excited to practice English," or something completely different. Every answer is welcome.
Great job, everyone. You just completed the first part of today's speaking challenge. Now, let's look back at those questions together.
And before we review, we want to remind you of something important. There is not only one correct answer. Everyone has different experiences, different hobbies, and different stories.
The goal is not to speak perfect English. The goal is to communicate. So if you answered the questions, you are already making progress.
All right, let's start with our first question. The question was, "What is your name?"
This is one of the most common questions in English. A simple answer is, "My name is Noah," or "I'm Noah."
You can also say, "People call me Noah." This is a very natural expression. For example, My name is Alexander, but people call me Alex.
Remember, when you introduce yourself, keep it simple. You don't need a long answer. A clear sentence is perfect.
Now, let's look at question number 2. The question was, where are you from?
You can say, I'm from Canada. I'm from Brazil.
You can also say, I come from, for example, I come from Japan, or I come from a small town near the ocean.
And if you want to share more information, you can add another sentence. For example, I'm from Canada. I live in Toronto.
Great! Adding a little more information is a wonderful way to make conversations longer.
Now let's move to question number 3. The question was, what do you like to do on weekends?
This question is very useful because people ask it all the time. Friends ask this, coworkers ask this, even new people you meet can ask this.
A simple answer is, I like watching movies. I like playing video games. I like drinking coffee with my friends.
Another natural pattern is I usually, for example, I usually relax at home on weekends, or I usually go out with my friends.
The word usually is very useful because it helps you talk about things you do often.
Now let's check question number 4. The question was, what's your favorite food?
This is a fun question because everyone has an answer. You can say, my favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is noodles.
You can also say, I really love, for example, I really love chocolate, or I really love spicy food.
And remember, you can always add a reason. For example, my favorite food is pizza because I love cheese.
Adding because is a simple way to make your answer longer, and longer answers help you become a stronger speaker.
Now, let's review our final question. How are you feeling today?
You can say, I'm feeling happy today. I'm feeling a little tired. I'm feeling excited.
You can also say, today I feel, for example, today I feel very relaxed. Today I feel ready to practice English.
Excellent work! These simple sentence patterns are small, but they are the building blocks of real conversations.
Now, let's check your level 1 score. If you answered most of the questions out loud, give yourself 1 point.
Congratulations! You completed level 1. And remember, even if you only answered 1 or 2 questions, you are still practicing. That is how confidence grows.
Now, are you ready to make things a little more challenging? Because we are moving to level 2.
In level 2, the questions will need longer answers. You'll talk more about your daily life, your experiences, and your opinions.
Don't worry. Take your time. Speak slowly. And most importantly, enjoy the conversation.
All right, let's begin level 2.
Question number 1. Can you tell us about your morning routine? Take a few seconds. Answer out loud now. Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect.
Great job. Maybe your answer sounded something like this. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I make breakfast. Finally, I go to work.
Did you notice those useful words? Usually. Then. After that. Finally. These words help your ideas flow naturally.
Let's try another question. Question number 2. What did you do yesterday? Take your time. Tell us about your day. Keep going. Excellent work.
Here's one possible answer. Yesterday, I stayed at home. I watched a movie. Then I cooked dinner. In the evening, I talked with my family.
When you talk about yesterday, remember to use the past tense. Words like watched, cooked, visited, played, studied.
Don't worry if you forget a past tense word. The important thing is to keep speaking.
Now, let's continue. Question number 3. What do you enjoy doing with your friends? Go ahead. Tell us your answer.
Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. Fantastic job, everyone. Maybe you said, I enjoy going to coffee shops. I enjoy playing badminton. I enjoy watching movies with my friends.
Instead of always saying I like, you can also say I enjoy or I love. Using different expressions makes your English sound more natural.
Here's question number 4. Describe your hometown. Take a moment. Speak out loud.
Don't rush, speak naturally. Here is one example. My hometown is small and quiet. There are many trees and parks. The people are friendly. I really enjoy living there.
When describing places, simple adjectives are very useful. Small, big, quiet, busy, beautiful, friendly, modern.
Try using 2 or 3 adjectives together. Your answer will become much more interesting.
Now it's time for our final question in Level 2. Question number 5. What is something you want to learn in the future? Take your time. Answer in English.
Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. Maybe your answer was, I want to learn how to play the guitar. I want to learn another language. I want to improve my English.
A very useful sentence pattern is, I want to. You'll use this expression in everyday conversations all the time.
You can also explain why. For example, I want to improve my English because I want to travel, or I want to learn cooking because I enjoy making food.
Amazing work, everyone. You have already completed 2 levels of today's speaking challenge.
You should be proud of yourself. No matter how many questions you answered, the important thing is that you spoke English today.
Exactly. Every sentence you speak makes you a little more confident. And every time you practice, you become a stronger English speaker.
How are you doing so far? Have you earned 2 points already? Or are you still working towards your first point? Either way, keep going. You're doing great.
And if you're enjoying today's speaking challenge, please take just 1 second to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Noah and Allie.
If you have a friend or family member who is learning English, share this challenge with them. Then compare your scores at the end. It might become a fun little competition.
All right, now it's time for our final challenge, Level 3.
This is our most challenging level today. The questions are more open, and we hope you'll answer with 2, 3, or even 4 sentences.
Don't worry if you need a few seconds to think. Take your time. There are no perfect answers. We simply want to hear you speak.
Let's begin. Question number 1. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why? Take a moment. Answer out loud now.
I'll give you a few seconds.
Don't rush. Speak naturally.
Wonderful. Here's one possible answer. If I could travel anywhere, I would visit Japan. I've always wanted to experience the culture, try the food, and see the beautiful temples. I think it would be an unforgettable trip.
Did you notice the sentence pattern? If I could. This is a fantastic expression for talking about dreams and imaginary situations.
Let's continue. Question number 2. Tell us about someone who inspires you. Why do you admire that person? Take your time.
I'll give you a few seconds.
Excellent work.
Here's one example. The person who inspires me the most is my mother. She always works hard and never gives up. She teaches me to be kind and patient.
When you describe people, you can use words like kind, hardworking, honest, friendly, patient, helpful.
Now for question number 3. What is one dream you hope to achieve in the future? Go ahead. Tell us about it. Don't worry if your answer isn't perfect. Fantastic job, everyone.
Maybe your answer sounded something like this. My dream is to speak English confidently. I want to travel and meet people from different countries. That's why I practice every day.
Expressions like my dream is, I hope to, I'd love to, are all wonderful ways to talk about your future.
Here's question number 4. Describe one happy memory from your life. Take a few seconds. Speak naturally.
Give it a try.
I'll give you a few seconds.
Here's one possible answer. One of my happiest memories was my family vacation by the beach. We spent the whole day swimming, laughing, and eating delicious food together. I'll never forget that day.
When telling a story, try using words like first, then, after that, finally. They make your story much easier to follow.
And now, our final question. Question number 5. What advice would you give someone who is just starting to learn English? Take your time. This is your final answer for today's challenge.
Take a deep breath. Give it a try.
Fantastic job, everyone.
Here's one example. I would tell them not to be afraid of making mistakes. Practice a little every day. Be patient, and most importantly, never give up.
Excellent work. You made it all the way to the end of today's English speaking challenge.
That was our most difficult level, and you did an amazing job. Whether you answered every question or just a few, you should feel proud of yourself. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to calculate your final score.
How many points did you earn today? Did you score 1, 2, or all 3 points?
If you scored 3 out of 3, congratulations! You spoke with confidence through every level. Keep practicing and your English will continue to improve.
If you scored 2 points, fantastic work. You already have a strong foundation. Keep speaking a little every day and you'll become even more confident.
And if you scored 1 point or even 0 today, please don't feel disappointed. Every confident English speaker started exactly where you are now.
Learning to speak English takes time. It takes patience, and it takes practice. The important thing is that you challenged yourself today.
And that's something worth celebrating, because every time you speak, you become a little better than yesterday.
Before we finish, we'd love to hear from you. Write your final score in the comments below and tell us which question was the most difficult for you.
We love reading your comments.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Noah and Allie so you never miss our future speaking and listening practice.
You can also share this challenge with a friend. Practice together, compare your scores, and encourage each other to keep learning.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We hope today's challenge gave you more confidence to speak English.
Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. And remember, confidence grows one conversation at a time.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning, and keep speaking English every single day.